Good job, Lauren. Put your leg over.
Oh, God.
Good try. Keep trying.
That's what she
Keep trying,
doing.
Lauren.
Paul.
Lauren's still working on her leg. Good. Good try, Lauren.
Oh, God. It's like a circus. Oh, look at McKenna. Look at she's crawling. McKenna.
Look at Norman.
Good job, Kenna.
Wait, Lauren. Look at Lauren, Mom. Look at Lauren.
What's she doing? Okay, I lost my phone in all this.
No, I got it. Put McKenna on there.
Were there good relations between the two of you? Was the sex good?
Oh, yeah. Go ahead and try to get back on, Lauren.
Oh, you're 20 minutes later.
Oh, Kenna. Okay, I don't want any of these babies.
Lauren's still trying to get that leg over.
She's persistent. You have to
Yeah.
give her that.
Good job, Lauren. Keep going. Yay!
Good job.
Yay!
Good girl.
Are you ready?
Yay! Hey, Lauren. Lauren, where's your tummy? Where's your good girl? Is that your tummy? Kenna, where's your tummy? Kenna, show me your tummy.
Get out of my way. I'm coming up.
Kenna! McKenna, where's your tummy? Oh, okay.
Lauren. Now stay on there.
Where's Kenna? Kenna!
Vroom, vroom.
She's having a tough day. You having a tough day, McKenna?
Kenna! Hey, McKenna, where's your tummy?
Hey, McKenna, can you dance? McKenna, can you dance?
She's so busy right now.
Dance,
Are you
Kenna?
going to put that on YouTube?
Yeah.
She is just falling all over everything.